Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. In today's class we are going to discuss about 0 by 1 knapsack problem. Already I have told you and discussed in the class about knapsack problem. Knapsack problem consists of a bag. Okay, in that bag, uh, for example, the bag is the capacity to store the weight of up to 15 kgs. So up to 15 kgs only the bag can bear the weight. Okay, the space will be available in the bag. After that, the bag will not allow the data or the weight which is coming after the 15 kgs. Okay, similarly we have already discussed about this one. And now how can we solve this knapsack problem with the help of dynamic programming? Dynamic programming. Okay, see here, this is an example which I have taken. Here m equal to 8. 8 is nothing but the capacities. Okay, capacities. P is here. What is P? Profit. P is here profit, and W is weight. W is here weight. Okay, and we have to find the capacity of this bag is 8 kgs. We think that 8. More than 8 it can bear? No. We have to find, okay, that by using the dynamic programming we should try all type of solutions and pick up the best solution, best one. We should try all type of solutions and pick up the best one. See here, 0, here I have taken X indicates the objects, X 0 or 1, it consists of 0 or 1, 1 means present, 0 means not present. Okay, there is no object. 0 indicates no object and 1 indicates objects included. See here maximum of sum of Pi Xi will be, the sum of the profit should be maximized. In case of sum of weights, their sum of weights should be less than or equal to maximize. See, for example, when we go to a supermarket, or nowadays we are having the malls like D-Mart, Big Bazaar. Okay, like this. What the thing, if you go there or leave that, if you go there, or for example, otherwise if you go to any shop, there the things whatever you need, you'll be asking there. What the shopkeeper will be doing, first whatever the things you have asked him which is near to him will be given to you first. After that, by one you will be asking and he will be telling that the element, what are the item you are asking is present or not. Automatically he knows that. Or else if the item is present, where it is present and where it is, in which room it is, like that he will be so and so he will be telling that. In the same way he says that this is having the capacity to store that, this is having, or which is the nearest one items, which is near to the shopkeeper, he will be giving the first those items. Okay, so how many items up to that capacity. In the same way here also we will be using the dynamic programming for solving the 0 by 1 knapsack problem, and we try to find all types of solutions, and among those solutions we will be picking up the best solution. See, for example, here these 4 zeros indicates there is no object which is included. All ones says that all the objects are included. Okay, in the same way, by this we will be getting the complexity as 2 power 4, where we have taken 4 objects here, and for n objects means you will be getting as 2 power n. Finally the time complexity will be as 2 power n, as 2 power n. See here, in this you will be having, or we are having two different types of method for solving this 0 by 1 knapsack problem. By using the dynamic programming, is one is tabulation method and the other one is sets method. See, for example, I have taken here an example, a table consisting of the values. Firstly, you consider the profit and weights, and in the table capacity and weights. Normally the 0 is initially 0 and the 1 as usual is, see here, 1 comma 0. Is there 1 comma 0? No. So it is 0. And next coming to 1 comma 1? No. 0. Next coming to the 2. Weight 2. See, in the weights you don't have 0 and 1. So the value automatically it will be 0 if you observe in the table. Okay. Next coming to the weight 2. You are having the profit there. How much? 1. The 1 will be placed there. See, until you get the value. Until you get the other value, you will be placing the same values. We don't have any other one to place there. So, as it is, the 1 will be placed up to 8. Next, coming to the second one. Okay, second one, that is 3 in the weight. Okay, see, when coming to here, is there 2 comma 0? No. 2 comma 1 you are having? No, as it is the values will be there. And 2 comma 2? No, as it is the value will be there, like that only. When you come for 3, okay, 3, what is the value you are having? Profit value 2. Okay, 2. And 2 4 do you have? No. You have 2 3. Okay, value. And 2 5, do you have the value for 2 5? Observe clearly. 2 5 means 2 plus 3. What is the value of 2 plus 3? 5. Weight total is 5. And see, in the red color I have marked there. I have marked in the red color. So 2 plus 3, 5. Weight 5 is equals to, what is the profit you are getting there? 3. In the place of 2 to 5 you have placed 3. Other than that we don't have the value. So as it is the value, we have to place up to 8. Okay. And next, coming to the third one. 3 to 0 do you have? No, as it is you will be writing the values until 3. Next, coming to 3 to 4. What is the value of 3 to 4 you are having? Here 4 value 5. The weight of 4 is 5 profit. Okay. In the 3 to 4 place you will be substituting the value 5. And for 5 do you have? No. We are having 6 and 7. See, in the yellow color I have marked 2 plus 4, 6. So what is the 6 value you are getting there? 2 plus 4 means automatically 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. The capacity, I mean you have stored the is there 6 profit. And next, coming to the 7, do we have? Yes, we have. See, the pink color indicates there 3 plus 4 as 7. Okay, as 7. What is the value you are getting there? 2 plus 5. That is 7. As it is, you will be placed. And for 8, do you have? No. So, as it is 7 is placed there. In the same way, see, for the finally fourth one, we will be using the formula for this one. For finding out this. This is easy method, and by using the formula also we have to see how to solve the tabulation method, right? For finding the best solution here, the capacity. See, V of let table is considered as V of I comma W is equal to maximum of V of I minus 1 comma W comma V of I minus 1 comma W minus W of I plus P of I. So you have to find for up to third row, we have, I mean up to 4th row we have find, and for 5th we have to find, that is V4 comma 1. See, if you substitute the values you will be getting V of, what is the I value there? I minus 1 means I value is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. V of 3 comma 1. W value is 1. Next v of I minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 comma 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5, that is w of I means w of 4. What is their weight? 5. So 1 minus 5, what is the value? Minus 4. So minus 4 till the fifth weight we will fill the same values as it is till the fifth weight, right? We have placed like that only. That one is undefined value. In the same way we will substitute all the values and find the values for that one, and finally we get the best solution as 8. 8 is the maximum capacity. What is the bag capacity is given? 8. So x1, x2, x3 and x4. For finding out this, we will take sequence of decisions, that is dynamic programming. I have told you already, dynamic programming is for finding out the sequence of decision. This is the solution, and x1 and x2 are included in the bag. x2 and x4. Okay, x2, what is the value of x2? See here, what is the value of x2 you are getting? Here 8 and what is the value you are getting? 6 you will be getting. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. The profit and fourth object is included and second object is also included, and the bag weight is now finally you are getting the value as here 2. Okay, this is about the tabulation method. And next coming to the sets method. In the sets method also we will try to find all possibilities and pick up the best solution. As it is, we have taken the previous example only here. The set order of pair is profit comma weight. So for the first S naught you will be getting 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1 for S1 naught. S1 equal to 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2. First object is not included. Okay, we go for the second one. In similar way, what are the objects is not included, we will be removing those objects, and we will be including remaining the objects. By that, the time taken for solving this one will be order of 2 power n. This is the time complexity, and finally you will be getting the values here. X4 equal to 1, x3 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1 and x1 equal to 0. See, finally the solution is 0, 1, 0, that is x2 and x4. These two objects are included in the bag. Okay, this is about 0 by 1 knapsack with by using two different